winds are very deadly. I'm almost being blown away. This is Mother Nature for you assholes. All you naive parents who saying we're not gonna get very nothing, we got something.
My mom was an asshole. She just said, well, it wasn't too dangerous for you to walk there. It wasn't even bad at that time. It's fucking hard. Look at all these trees. Oh my God.
We could die any moment, but we don't care.
Because you only live once. Cover your head as you walk on the fucking trees.
Be sure to stay indoors during Hurricane
Fucking
Sandy. This is a real broadcast. As you can see, the whole north side has lights on, and the south side is dead. We could possibly die during this terrible storm, but it's Hurricane Irene, and it's Hurricane Sandy, and I love SpongeBob, and that bitch's name is Sandy. And I'm gonna turn back now because it's very crazy.